This new indicator can double your investments if used properly. You should definitely have this indicator in your trading strategy. We'll cover everything. Setting it up, understanding its unique features, and how it can help with stop-loss placement, trend confirmation, and volatility measurement. So without any delay, let's see what this indicator is and how you can use it in your trading. So I'm in TradingView, and I'm going to be using a Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame to explain this strategy. First of all, here you just need to click on Indicators tab and then search rolling ATR bands. After that, add this one, which is created by Flux Chart. After the bot has been added to the trading chart, this is how it will look like. As you can see, a band is added to the chart, something like Bollinger Bands or Keltner channels, but this is different. This indicator uses a TETR to create this band around the price, which can act as a dynamic support and resistance level. Before we go into further details, first go into the settings of the indicator. Here we remove break labels and retest labels, which are these two options. They are distracting and we're not going to use them for trading decisions. Now, here's what makes these bands stand out. They give us dynamic support and resistance levels. In an uptrend, the upper band works as a resistance level, and in a downtrend, the lower band acts as support. It's great because these bands aren't static. They move with the market, making them way more adaptable than something like Bollinger Bands. You can see that usually when the price reaches to this band, there is a pause and reversal of the price. Similarly, usually when the price reaches to this band, we have a pause and return of the price to the other way. As I said, these bands are dynamic, and they adapt with market volatility. We see widening of the band during high volatility, just like we can see here. The market had high volatility, so the bands are widened, and contracting off the bands happened during low volatility. As we can see here, these signals are accurate, but it is better not to focus on these signals for entering a trade because many of the times they just happen in the pullbacks, or if the momentum is strong, the price just moves on. The best use case of the upper band and lower band is for setting stop loss and trailing stop loss. As I said, the band is built based on ATR, and ATR is a perfect indicator for setting a stop loss. Here's how you do it. By the way, if you're looking for a way to make consistent profits with minimal effort, our AI crypto trading bot might be just what you need. This bot targets 1% profit every single day, automatically handling all your trades for you. Thousands of people are already using it, and it's earned a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot. We are giving the access to the bot for free right now. So click the link in the description and get our AI crypto bot for free. So in a short trade, you can place your stop loss just above the upper band and trail it down as the trade moves. In a long trade, set the stop just below the lower band and trail it up as price rises. This way, as volatility changes, your stop loss adapts, giving you more breathing room during high volatility and tightening up in calmer markets. As I said, this is a dynamic band based on volatility, so you can be sure that during high volatility times, your stop loss is farther away from trade entry, and during low volatility, your stop loss is closer. But this is not all. This indicator also combines RSI supertrend and EMA crossovers to calculate a score for evaluating the strength of trends going on in the market. That calculation is reflected on the bands by the help of 3 different colors. You would have also noticed them by now. As you can see, when it is red in color, it shows a bearish trend. When it is green in color, it indicates a bullish trend in the market, and in times that the color of these lines is gray, like here, it is a sign that the market is in a neutral situation or flat market. You can clearly see that here the market is flat during this pullback, and the indicator is gray, so it catches these trends pretty accurately. So this indicator, besides helping you with measuring volatility by giving you a dynamic band based on a TER, also helps you with identifying trends and measuring the strength of trends by the help of the color of the bands, which, as I explained earlier, is based on RSI supertrend and EMA crossover. You can effectively use this indicator with other TradingView indicators to create an amazing trading strategy. For example, a good strategy would be to pair this indicator with the machine learning Lorentzian classification indicator. To add this indicator to UChart, open the Indicators tab again and search for machine learning Lorentzian classification. After that, add this one, which is also an editor's PCE and is written by J.D. Horty. This is a very powerful buy and sell signal indicator that is built based on a machine learning algorithm. The green labels on the trading chart are buy signals, and the red labels are sell signals. Here's how you can use these 2 indicators together in a strategy. If the bands are red, showing a downtrend, and the Lorentzian classification indicator gives you a sell signal, that's a strong sign for a sell trade. Same goes for an uptrend. If the bands are green and you get a buy signal, that's a good confirmation to open a buy position. But there is also one more condition, and that is when the market is neutral and neither buying or selling trend is dominating. If you're seeing gray bands, it's usually best to hold off and wait until the trend direction is clearer. Let's run through a quick example to bring it all together. Say the bands are green, just like we can see here, indicating a bullish trend, and as we can see here, the Lorentzian classification shows a buy signal. This is where you will open a buy position. To set your stop loss, you can set it just below the lower band, then trail it up as price climbs. This indicator is pretty amazing and can be paired with many other amazing indicators to create precise and profitable trading strategies. So feel free to experiment and share your experiences in the comments. In a bearish setup with red bands and a sell signal, you do the opposite. So when the bands are red in color and we are sure that the market is in a downtrend, we will wait for the machine learning indicator to print a sell signal, just like the one we have gotten here. So if these conditions are fulfilled, you can open a sell position. And you can keep your stop loss just above the upper band. By adapting your stop loss based on volatility, you can protect your position while still allowing it to grow. Any signal that is not according to the trend will be denied. For example, this sell signal here is not valid because the bands are green in color and showing us that the market is in an uptrend. This is going to be it for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.